Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in today. This is Sarah with Darling Designs by Sarah. Today we're going to go over the Conical warping tool, which you have access to under Silhouette Studio Business Edition. It allows you to warp any design that you have to the circumference or dimensions of whichever tumbler or mug or cup that you want to use. So here I just have a basic vertical design, a name design. My name's Sarah. You'll just select on it, go down to the warping tool, which is this little window grid. Click on it, and then you're going to go over here to the Tumbler Conical warping icon. Make sure your design is selected, and then you're going to hit Warp Selected Shapes. And as you can see, it now has a red border around it. This is pretty much just acting as a outline for the shape of the tumbler that you would be using. So you'll go down here to adjust the dimensions based on the cup that you have. So for the rim of the cup, mine is about 4 inches. Mine's just a basic tumbler average size. This is the base, which is 2.5, and then the height of my cup is 6.25. Then as I scroll down here, this allows you to change the size if you would like to make the image bigger. For me, I like the size that I originally had. I already had it sized to how I wanted. And this allows you to either pull the design up higher or lower depending on wherever you want. You want to make sure it's centered. Wherever you plan on putting it on the tumbler is where you need to have the design shown, because it will warp it obviously more down here as opposed to up here, since the angle of the tumbler is more narrowed down the base. When you find the perfect spot that you like it, go ahead and hit apply. And as you can see, it has warped my design a little bit. You can tell that it's more narrow down here as it is up here, which is great. So it flows perfectly with my tumbler. And so then what you can do is come over here and hit select trace area. Go ahead and trace the design. And it is ready to go and send to your silhouette. And then from there, you just follow whatever settings that you want to set for your vinyl that you have. And that is the simplest tutorial or explanation that I can give you on how to use the Conical warping tool, only found on the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. Thanks so much.